Hey folks, we're back for another exciting episode of what I'm gonna do instead of what I should be doing. And what I should be doing is see the bottom of that driveway? I should be down there and I should be shoveling it. Plus 3 degrees right now. It's kind of mushy. It's gonna go to -9 tonight. It's gonna be frozen if I don't get it off today. And that's what I should be doing. But instead of, this is what I'm doing, folks. This is my shower. I can get out here when it's -10. But if I could pack up the sides with ice and snow, then I can use that shower much longer.